Hello, this is Joe here from Tech&Turf doing my review and installation video for the Lawn Stryper GC Pro Series 30. I've been a big fan of lawn care and I've actually had this Ryobi lawn mower for a few years now, and it's a 30-inch self-propelled mower. And I actually built my own striping kit for it because at the time there was nothing on the market that could attach to it. But although mine got the job done, it wasn't perfect. So upgrading to this was definitely a nice change. I was looking over the different options to market, and the Lawn Stryper has several different series, but this particular Pro Series 30 fits my mower. Has a lot of great features to it. It's very high quality made, industrial strength steel here, and easy to attach and remove, and works with the bagger as well. This particular attachment is designed for several 30-inch mowers ranging from Toro to Ryobi and Cub Cadet, etc. It's adjustable, so you can make it fit your mower specifically, and you can mow and stripe at the same time, and it even can back up without jackknifing. Just the only thing you have to add to it is just adding some sand. So just to walk you through the installation process, this is what comes in the box. Once you get all the parts out, you pretty much have everything ready to go. The only thing you need to buy, as I mentioned, is the sand, so grab a bag of that ahead of time. And then once you're ready to go, you're going to fill the roller with the sand and use a funnel for that. And then the next thing you'll do is install the master clamps. These attach on both sides of the handlebars, and you'll want to insert the inserts into the master clamps and then tighten them on both sides. You'll see there is a little bit of a line there to help you figure out which way to face the inserts when you're putting it into the master clamps. These are the examples for my particular model here after I got it set up and tightened onto the sides. Once you do that, then you want to attach the tube assembly and install the angle adjusters. This tube kind of snaps into place, and then the angle adjusters can be tightened at a particular angle. You want to make sure that the tube assembly is angled towards the mower, as seen here. And once you have that attached, you can just hook on the striping kit, and you can see my mower bag fits right on it, and it can even stand up when it's folded up, which is excellent. Here's what it looks like from the back view, and here's an example of you being able to back up with it as well. Now we're actually ready to get outside and have fun mowing. So here you can see it attached to my mower. It has a nice clean look. It does a great job striping, as you can see. Not only do you have a roller here, but you also have a brush, so it's really leaving an extra nice stripe. Here's an example of me mowing the lawn. Keep in mind, this is November, and in New England here, it's getting cold out there, so my lawn is getting ready for the end of the season, but I'm still able to get outside and keep on mowing for a little bit longer here. This is one of my final mows of the season probably, but it's doing a great job leaving some nice stripes for hopefully the winter. What makes this mower kind of a little bit extra special is, as I mentioned, you not only have the weight of the roller, but you also have the brush behind it, really helping to accentuate the stripes. That brush is also adjustable, and so you have a lot of different features here. Certainly the weight of the roller adds a nice heft to it, allowing those stripes to be really strong in the ground, and it's doing a better job than my previous striping kit that I made myself. Note that my lawn is being cut here a little bit shorter, but in the peak of the summer when I mow it at 4 inches, it's going to have even better stripes. The bag, as you can see, can be easily removed, and the whole little kit can come right off. So I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy the mow. Stripe on.